This here is a 2010 Dodge Ram 1500. You've got the chrome grille with the black inserts, along with the chrome bumper. Going on around to the driver's side of the vehicle, showing you've got the chrome wheels with the Goodyear tires. Right here shows it is the Hemi with the 5.7 liter. You do have the step up, the tube step right there. Looking at the tire condition on the front driver's side, just showing that it's in excellent condition, the tires are. Let's take a look in here on the driver's side. You have the power windows, power locks, and the power mirrors on the driver's side door. Also comes with the power driver's seat along with lumbar support. It does have the two-tone cloth interior along with the bigger center console. I'm taking a look up front here. It does have the twist knob four-wheel drive along with a outlet, which would be a two-prong outlet. You've got a tow haul button and a ESC, the electronic stability control button. Right here just showing there's 53,089 miles. It does have cruise control. Right here is the built-in trailer brake assist, already built in. Automatic headlights. Taking a look in the back now, showing that the seat does fold up on both sides. This right here does fold out, so it would be a solid platform all the way across, and then you're also able to lift it up for storage underneath that as well, and that is on both sides of the seat. You do have the power windows in the back as well on both sides. Looking at the tire condition on the back on the driver's side, you know, good tire tread all the way around the vehicle. Looking in the back now, just showing it's the SLT edition along with the 4x4. You do have a trailer hitch already available, along with both prongs for wiring for the lights, the trailer brake lights. Once again, it's a 2010 Dodge Ram 1500 4x4.